Hey there, another day, another adventure. We are on the Staten Island Ferry. We are heading to the Staten Island Outlet Mall. I don't know how it's called. We've been here a couple of times already. Not in the street, but on previous ones. It's not that cold, actually, not today, but it used to be on the outer deck. So we're just here inside. So some updates. Our return flight got cancelled again. This is our second time. So we are coming back instead of tomorrow. We're coming back to Spain on Tuesday. It is fine. I mean, we are lucky enough to have some jobs that are very accommodating and willing to give us some extra PTO because it's out of our hands, like it has nothing to do with us. And now we are checking some hotels. Now we're staying in Manhattan. We'll be taking advantage of these extra 3 days to do so. We'll be taking out from the Airbnb tomorrow and then moving to the Manhattan hotel we end up deciding staying at. I mean, it is what it is. It's been quite a morning. I woke up with this news and it wasn't the best way. It's like, what's going on? Not again. And they are claiming it's because of the bad weather. And now that everything is solved, other than just booking the hotel, we will do that in a moment. That's what Christian is doing now. He's taking the hotels. Hi.
Hi.
After that, we'll be enjoying our extra days here in New York. I mean, there are worse places to enjoy some extra days of holidays than New York, which is my favorite city, so I won't complain. The weather today is so nice, so sunny, kind of embracing it before the expected blizzard that is coming to New York tomorrow. We already booked our hotel. We are staying at a hotel. We already stayed there the first time we got to New York, and last year in our second round in Tokyo. And we love the hotel chain. The bed is so comfy. We're just gonna enjoy the sun today because the weather is literally so good. There's a good boy over there, which is, well, the good boy is a good girl. She is a mixture of Shar-Pei and a beagle, and she's the cutest. Hold on, let me try and show you. Can't you see her? I love her. Oh my god. I miss Lemon so much. Okay, so I want to I love the color of this one, but I feel so weird. I'm so sorry for the mess. Excuse the mess behind me. But I love the color. The thing is that I feel so weird on tracksuits. My body... Hold on, he's bringing me another second. So the thing is that I love the color, but I feel so weird wearing tracksuits. I feel like my body is not meant to wear tracksuits. Both pieces, the sweater and the pants, are an S, but still feel like super wide. I'm like very short, not very, but I'm short and big buttoned. So I don't know. That's right. I asked Christian to bring an XS on the upper thingy, but there's no XS or extra small. I'm gonna try another sweater. No sweater. What's it? A hoodie. Another hoodie. On same color as you can see on the back. That's an M, but it's another style, so let's see if that sits better. But I really want, they feel so comfortable, and they're on a special sale, like you get extra 20% off. So on the lowest price already marked on the tag, so I don't know. Let me try the other one. We're back to Manhattan. So beautiful. It's 4 p.m. and we haven't had lunch yet. We only had half of, what is that called? Sticky nut bun, or something like that. I don't know. It's delicious. Got that a couple of times at Milk and Pool there in Brooklyn. Mixture of a cinnamon bun, a cinnamon roll with sticky or like caramel, pecan caramel. It's sticky pecan bun or roll. I don't know. The thing is that it's a mixture of cinnamon roll with caramel and pecans, and it's delicious. So we'd had half of that, half each, and a latte each, and that's all we had for today. We are gonna have lunch. We are gonna have Chick-fil-A because we haven't tried it yet. Actually, we did. Hold on. We did on New Year's Eve 3 years ago, but we don't remember and how it was. And it was like a super quick dinner before heading to Times Square because we wanted to leave the actual New Year's Eve at Times Square. We tried to get some resale tickets for the Knicks game, but that didn't work out. So we came to Artichoke. My lips are dry as hell. I forgot the lip balm at the Airbnb, so this is what we have to deal with. I got here at Artichoke the Artichoke pizza, and Christian got margarita. It's 9 p.m. We've tried to get tickets for the last couple hours or so, like for 2.5 hours, but we weren't lucky enough. There were a lot of scammers. Of course, we didn't want to risk our money, so we didn't. And then we went to the stadium, tried to get some tickets there, but they were like way too expensive. Not I don't know if expensive, but they were like way over our budget, so we didn't get them. Say hi. These are humongous. Like, can you tell the difference? Oh God, like this is humongous. But I mean, this is America. I spread some chili flakes on top of it, and my lips are so red right now. It is good. It is very good. It tastes mostly like a white cream base. It doesn't include any tomato sauce, so it's basically a white sauce, which I think it would be cream, right? I don't know. But it is good. The artichoke pieces are amazing when you get a taste of it. We've tried artichoke a couple of times already on our previous trips, and we loved it. But after trying Mama Stew, that's like Mama Stew is now my top one, definitely. Artichoke used to be that one and still is good, but not as good as Mama Stew. We need to pack everything so tomorrow morning I can have a shower like with no rush, and oh God, my lips are burning. today is our last day here in Brooklyn, and we are saying goodbye to Milk and Bull. This was our go-to coffee place during for these last 8 days or something. The coffee is amazing, the pastry is amazing, like the girls are amazing. I love this place. So if you're around Brooklyn, around the Utica area, well, please come to this place because it is amazing. We'll be doing the checkout right after the coffee, and then we'll be heading out to Manhattan and check in our hotel there. So hello. We are already set in our hotel here in Manhattan. As you can tell, it is snowing. It is getting worse, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. But of course, it's getting worse by the hour, and we just gotta wait. Still stayed at the hotel resting a little bit. He wanted to have a nap. He didn't have the greatest sleep last night. Neither do I, but I didn't want to be in bed and just, I don't know how bad it's gonna get later today or even tomorrow. So I wanted to go to Target and get some things, some presents, and a couple of things that I wanted to get for myself as well. What is bad is that when the winds bring the snowflakes directly to my face, that is bad. But other than that, we're good. Went to the Target here in 42nd Street. I knew I didn't like that one. I remember I didn't like that one when we were staying in this area, or actually in the same hotel 3 years ago. But I was like, you know what, let's give it another chance, give it a shot. Hold on. Yep, let's give it another shot. But yeah, no. So I'm heading to the other one. It's actually closer to the hotel, and let's see. I think that that's gonna be better because this one was fully packed with tourists, and of course, 42nd Street, right? It's not like I'm a New Yorker by any means, but I wish, but I'm not. And I'm hoping to get at least half of the items I'm looking for. Most of them are only going to be gifts to give away to
Maya, who's going to be taking care of Lemon for a couple of days. So one ish day, two, I don't know. Oh my gosh. My cousin who's been taking care of Lemon until, from the beginning until Tuesday.
I'm just gonna stay here for a minute to get also like a couple of Owala bottles. One for me, one for Maya. I know she wants one. And I'm gonna cut it here up to I get to Target because my hands are getting red. But yeah, let's go. Hello. Supposedly we are able to fly back tomorrow. Getting the clear the sideway so we are able to walk. It's supposedly going to stop or should stop in a minute soon. So let's hope for the better. It's not the worst case scenario being, it's not the worst thing ever to be here in New York. Hello there. We tried and went to Bath and Body Works and also to Nike. Unfortunately, both of them are closed today due to the weather conditions, even though it has gone way better throughout the afternoon. But of course, they couldn't know that. Tomorrow we will go to, first thing in the morning, we will go to Bath and Body Works because I need my candles. And yeah, I mean, they open at 8. We won't be there at 8 a.m. But we'll be waking up early, having our breakfast, and then we'll run a few errands before heading to the airport. So far, our flight hasn't been cancelled, so fingers crossed. And we are very lucky that even though both in Japan and here in New York, Japan last year, New York this year, our flights have been cancelled, both of them. They let us, for both flights, they let us know way, like last year was 2 days ahead, and this time around, they let us know on Friday, and today's Monday, and we fly on Tuesday, so not bad. The streets are very clean now, thanks to the hard work of volunteers here at the city of New York. I am amazed by how quickly everything has been dealt with. Bear in mind, it was a blizzard going on less than 12 hours ago, and it's already been dealt with, so amazing.
I don't even care if you don't want this. Only speaking facts and you speak nonsense. You just like a chemical that's toxic. Yes, toxic. I think that you're enough and I wanna stay. Hand on the throttle so I can drive away. Miles and miles now in between, but what about us? What about us? What about me? All I wanted was trust. What you want from me? I already had enough. I know that it ain't enough. It's 3 a.m. Where you at? All the times I repeat in my head. It's 3
Hey there. I'm trying to find a Bath and Body Works store opened because this morning, first thing in the morning, we went to the one we tried yesterday. We tried to go yesterday, but it was still closed, even though they had a note on the door saying they would open today. They haven't, which is fine. I mean, it is what it is. In Manhattan, the situation is amazing today. The mayor did an amazing job hiring volunteers and everything and everything's so clean, like really, really comfortable. But I understand that this is not the case in every borough. We are very fortunate to be living the situation in Manhattan. So right now, as I was saying, I'm heading to Bath & Body Works. Let's see if that one is open. If not, I did my best. I tried. We should have bought everything a few days ago, but we didn't know the situation was going to happen. And you know, we were also walking around that day in the afternoon, so we didn't want to bring all of the candles and things we would have bought with us. So we postponed it, and now we're in this situation. First world problems, 100%. This is close. Well, we tried. I mean, it is. Yeah, you're talking about. Yeah, it is what it is. It wasn't for me to get anything. Wasn't meant to be. I'm only pissed at myself for not getting it sooner. I'm gonna go to Target, there's one here very close by, and I'm gonna buy those EOS lotions that I loved. I'm also heading later to Trader Joe's because I wanted to get a couple of tote bags from there and some snacks that I love. Our flight is scheduled for 5 p.m. We still have time, but given the situation we have in New York, I don't want to risk it. Anywho, let's enjoy these last couple of hours in New York, my beloved city, and